welcome back to your channel. So today I am here with the second fusion recipe, which is known as potato pola, which is very easy to prepare and tasty to have. So without further delay, let's get started. Check out the ingredients. For this we need 2 potatoes. Peel the potatoes and finely shred this potatoes. Now it's done. Let's add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give it a good mix. Now add in 1 teaspoon of cornflour. Now mix it thoroughly and keep it aside. We are using this as a base. Now let's prepare the filling. Heat a pan. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 finely chopped onions and saute it well till it gets translucent. Add some salt so that it will cook fast. Now saute it well. Now it's translucent. Now let's add 1 finely chopped tomatoes and cook until it turns soft and mushy. Close the lid and cook it so that it cooks fast. Once the tomatoes are nice and soft, let's add the masalas. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. You can adjust according to your spice preference. Now mix well and let it cook for some time till the raw flavor disappears. Cook it in a low-medium flame. Now it's done. Switch off the flame. Take 3 eggs in a bowl. Add little salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika powder. Mix it well. Mix it thoroughly and keep it aside. Now in a pan, add a tablespoon of oil into it. Once the oil is heated, let's add the marinated potato mix and spread it evenly. So this is our base. We need to cook it for 5 minutes in a low flame. Close the lid and cook it. It's been 5 minutes. Now let us flip it to other side. Be careful while flipping. It's nice and golden now. Now layer the masala on the top of this. Spread it evenly. Now on the top of this, pour the egg batter and cover all the sides so that it coats well. Now let's add the sliced capsicum. You can use any of the color. Sprinkle some oregano and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, sprinkle some mozzarella cheese and cover the lid. Now cook it for 10 minutes in a low to medium flame. Now our potato pola is ready to serve. This is super taste. So do try it and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get instant notification. So stay tuned for the third fusion recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.